This next project is a poolside hangout. It's the perfect space to complement the client's existing pool patio. Come check it out, guys. Just 2 steps up from the existing pool patio, we created this raised patio. We integrated the same border into the existing pool patio. We lit these steps to give you that nice entryway. And the whole raised patio is framed out by our custom fabricated powder-coated aluminum railings. Now guys, with these rails, we're able to integrate the torch right into the railing. With these extended posts, it allows us to run the gas line up to the torch and you don't see a thing. And over here with the rail top bar, same idea guys. We got the frame integrated right into the railing. We topped it off with this gorgeous leathered granite. For the kitchen, we did the same granite, leathered to match. We did a larger grill here. We have the trash, pop-out drawers for storage, a little access to the grill, and the glass front refrigerator. Hope you guys enjoyed seeing this gorgeous poolside hangout. It's such a beautiful night. I think I'll hang here till it gets dark and watch these torches. If you enjoyed this, give us a like, give us a follow. We got many more coming your way.